Hey Varla fans, I'm about to take you on the road, and you finally get the chance to see what a 6'5" guy the size of Chewbacca looks like riding. Not only that, but how the Varla Eagle One scooter handles a guy my size. I am 280 pounds. The max weight on the Varla scooter Eagle One is 330 pounds. And I'm going to talk about the voltmeter and how it reacts when going uphill. As when I commute up to 20 grade to 30 grade hills every day, and the Varla handles me and my size really well. So with that said, let's get started. All right, finally got a ride video out for you. Going about 32 miles an hour right now, cruising right along. And let me tell you, for a guy that's 280 pounds, this scooter flies, especially when I'm going downhill. It's pretty smooth, tires are quiet. I'm hitting 52.7 volts right now because I'm going downhill, so it's less power that the battery is having to burn. And that's also why I'm going 36 miles per hour with my weight. But a lot of people, they don't understand the difference between, they think that the voltmeter is the speedometer meter, or like, why is the voltmeter going up and then going down, and then why when I crank on the throttle does it drop way down? Is it going to die on me too soon and all that? And the answer is no. The voltmeter typically on an average charge with the Varla Eagle One, no matter the weight, by the time you hit the 42 volts is when you're going to want to stop your ride and not go any further, because you don't want to drain the battery all the way, and that tends to be the max voltage that the scooter can handle before it needs to be charged again. So don't ever be alarmed that you just charge your scooter and you get going and you're like, oh man, it was at 58.7 and now it's instantly at 52.2. It's only because you're running the motor and you're using voltage power, and that's the only reason why. And as you probably notice as you're cruising along, sometimes when you let off the throttle, your voltmeter pops back up. That's because you are not using juice at the moment. Just know that if you charge your scooter, you're going to be able to get to your destination 35 miles or a total of 40 miles, or in my case sometimes a total of 25 miles because of my weight and size, and the hills during my commute on a charge with no problems, especially on the Eagle One. That helps everybody to understand the use of the voltmeter and how it works. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of the beautiful scenery that I get to ride every day. This is Shawnyrick signing off. Until next time.